Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to our Utsource channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use this AO3400 N-channel Mosfet to control some SMD LEDs with a PWM signal. On our channel, we already have talked a lot about using different kind of MOSFETs, but this one is a special one because it's in the SMD SOT23 package, which makes this MOSFET pretty good for embedded applications. Now before taking any more time, let's get started. AO3400 is an N-channel MOSFET. Its drain to source voltage is 30 volt maximum and it can sustain a 5.8 ampere current. Gate to source voltage is around 12 volt. Also, unlike other MOSFETs which are available in TO220AB package, this one comes in SOT23 package, which is also very small in comparison with a full-size IRFZ44N MOSFET. Check out its datasheet for more info. As for its working schematic, I have used this configuration which consists of 3 LEDs connected in parallel with the MOSFET. A load resistance is between them to limit the current a little bit. Then there is this 10K resistance on the gate and between gate and source of the MOSFET. Also, by the way, you could buy this AO3400 MOSFET along with resistors and LEDs from our Utsource site. Link is in video description. Now this schematic can be easily made on a perf board, but I didn't want to do excess work of soldering stuff together in a makeshift setup. So instead, I use the classic PCB etching process for this project. We start first by making a board file in the PCB CAD software. Then we import the bottom layer PDF file so we could print it on a glossy sheet. Then we transfer ink from glossy paper to the PCB board by providing heat from the top. Then we etch the whole board with ferric chloride solution, and this will be the result. As for the components, I am using these components in this build. Here's the complete board. Now let's connect it to a microcontroller to drive LEDs, and for that I will be using good old Arduino Nano. Also, I have made 2 of these boards. Now let's wire everything together according to this schematic. After wiring, all that left to do was to upload this sketch to the board and bang. Our setup is successfully working. PWM fading is working pretty nicely in this setup. And this is how you can use an AO3400 MOSFET to control any load, LED in this case. Leave a like if this video was helpful, or maybe subscribe. And I'll be back with another video soon. Peace out.